Hello everybody, this is Dr. Locks. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today's lock is Easy Peasy by Mr. J.Grainger. So, I have had this one opened, but I haven't had it open on camera. So that's today's mission. If you wish to accept it. So, I'll show you the bit under the key before we start. Bit of a nasty bitting on this one. Look at that, pin 3, very low. So, sort the camera up here. And there we go. We are open. So, Easy Peasy by J.Grainger. That was easy peasy for me this morning. That was the easiest, I think, or fastest I've ever opened that one. I don't think I've ever done it under 5 minutes. So, yeah, happy with that. Thank you very much, Mr. Grainger. Thank you very much, Welsh Lock Picker, for sending me that one. I think it was like Welsh Lock Picker. Another one bites the dust. Another one complete. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.